all rise and stand and remain standing into perpetuity. This is a universal, original, indigenous, sovereign, Article 3, Moorish American, Moroccan, Court Action. I am Sovereign Living Justice, Byron Calvin Rogers. My free national name is Byron Calvin Rogers Bay, and my free chosen sovereign appellation is Byron Zahar Bay. All in capitis dimenso nolo, in red ink, in propria persona sui juris, and in proprio heredes. We, I, and all Moors are the sovereign living justice in capitis dimenso nolo, in red ink, in proprio solo, and in proprio persona sui juris, and in proprio heredes. We are capit et corpus juris legalis, which is our statement that we are the lawful and legal natural head and body for our empire. All Moors are the original indigenous, sovereign, ancient, Moroccan, Moorish American ascendants of the great pharaohs of Kemet and of the ancient Moabites, Canaanites, Hittites, Shemites, and Isrealites. Our full faith and trust, our allegiance, our credit, and our energy are hereby vested in ourselves, for we are the people who are the original indigenous, natural, divine, ancient Empire State of Morocco, Empire State for Morocco, and the de jure Moorish National Republic Federal Government. Washington District for Columbia, the Universal Moorish American Consulate, the Earthwide Article 3 Moorish American Consular Court, and the Article 3 Living United States District for Columbia Court. Forever, we are executing and exercising the law by our sovereign status, which is the original indigenous, natural divine, sovereign, ancient Article 3 Living United States District for Columbia Court. And we are the sovereign fiduciaries, creditors, executors, trustees, ministers, possessors, attorney-in-fact, entitled beneficiaries and in this cause for action, all causes for action, and for all land, all natural resources, and all commerce. We are peace. We are one nation, one state, nation state, one empire, and one God. We hereby recognize ourselves and accept our sovereign ascension. We issue a universal creditor's bill for possession and custody over all land, all natural resources, all commerce, all other property, and any judgment debtors. We, the one true God nation, are peace. We hereby exercise all eternal, ancient sovereign rights at this time and at all points in time, nunc pro tempore. Today's date on the Greco-Roman calendar is October the 14th in the year 2024. And the Islamic calendar today is Rabi the 2nd, the 11th day in the year 1446. And on the Jewish calendar, or the Hebrew calendar, today is the 12th day of Tishrei in the year 5785. Okay. Today I'm going over for the public record and public notice, the termination of all corporate contracts. Let's see. So this is a universal, sovereign, original, indigenous, ancient, Moroccan, Moorish American termination for all, in all capital letters, United States Corporation Company contracts for the all caps name Rogers Byron C, or spelled in any format in black ink under the all caps United States Corporation Company. So if you can see my screen, yep, okay. So basically it's just I, Byron Calvin Rogers, am propria persona sui juris, improprio solo, and improprio redes, do hereby terminate and abolish forever all presumed contracts, charters, and trusts that presumably exist with the all caps name in black ink Byron Calvin Rogers. Spelled in any format, Byron Calvin Rogers in capitis dimenso minima, maxima, or nolo, and in black ink. Also, terminating all corporate contracts and any of my appellations that maybe have been converted or they tried to convert into a fictitious dead entity in all capital letters. So this is a termination of all corporate contracts involving the all caps Byron Rogers Bay, Byron Bay, Byron Zahar Bay, Byron Calvin Rogers Bay, and Byron Rogers. Also, any companies that were as subsidiaries of these corporations that were created by the all caps United States Corporation Company involving Byron Calvin Rogers are hereby terminated forever. I do hereby terminate all presumed contracts to include contracts issued by the United States Corporation Company in all black in all capital letters, the United States Service Corporation in all black in all capital letters, the United States in all black in all corporations, and their agents, principal, heirs, assigns, and any derivatives thereof, to include the following unlawful instruments: all accounts in all black, all capital letters, any and all associated with the account, social security number, and then in that all black in brackets to include the certificate of live birth, and any attachments associated in any form under the state of Maryland or the district, Washington District of Columbia, I'm not going to read through all of this, but this is a public notice of my termination of corporate contracts that was filed and recorded on the date of, it was actually filed and recorded prior to this, but it was stamped again as approved on April the 22nd, 2022 at 3 p.m. Also, so I'm going to remove this one off the screen. Also,